And Benedicto, number 11, pass to Bruce. Number 15, itira sa gilid, no good. Rebound number 24, Maliwat. Pass to number 28 and number 21, same ball. And red team. And Grossman, number 20, pass to number 21, Reyes. Reyes, isubong matara sa ilalim, pass to Reyes, number 30. Number 30, Lilipad, no good. Rebound, Lopez, number 8. Nagmamadali para sa team P. Lopez, kapapapasa, pass to Ramos, number 23. Dribble the ball. Pass to Lopez. Lopez, itira sa tres. Bang! Lopez, 3 point. And number 21, Reyes. Pass to Bison, number 2, susubok sa ilalim ng Reyes again, walang foul. Spoiler. Number 11, Benedicto. First personal foul. Mamaya, bibili nga. Two shot, and Mr. Reyes, number 30. Wala bang gusto? Wala.
Ituloy yung 3 points sa gilid.
Good for one by Reyes, number 30.
Hindi naman makikita.
And Ramos, number 23. Pass to number 15. Cruz. And Julian, number 3. Tinira sa gilid. Double. Rebound number 21. Reyes, nagmamadali para sa team red. Reyes. Pass to Maliwat. Double. Maliwat number 21. Wala pa again. Number 15, Cruz.
Lagi madami po niya. Bok-bok, ulmaruan yun eh na.
First personal foul, number 15. 17 foul. And number 24, Maliwat. Pass to Grossman. Grossman ditira sa tres. Grossman. 3 point.
Nun, malas yun eh si Ibor.
And number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball. Pass to Cruz, number 15. Pass to Benedicto, number 15 again. Pass to Lopez, number 8. Nagagawa sila nilalawan Reyes. And then Reyes, number 21. Tumatakbo para sa team red. And Reyes, gagapapasangan na ito si Grossman. Reyes, number 30. Nisubok again. And Cruz, number 2. Brown. Dribble number 15. Cruz. Pass to Julian, number 23. Tumatakbo para sa team B. Pass to Lopez. Isparet. Number 20. Paul. Maliwat. First personal foul. Two shot and Mr. Lopez, number 8. Walang pagbumusla. Walay. Double. And rebound number 21, Reyes. Dribble the ball. Haras to number 23, Ramos. Reyes, susubok again. And Julian, number 3. Double. And number 13, Reyes. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Tira sa gilid. Pabor. No good. Grossman again. No good. Rebound number 15. And still number 21, Reyes. Pass to Grossman, number 28. Bas. Benedicto, number 11. Dribble the ball para sa team P. Pass to Ramos, number 23. And number 3, Julian. Pass to Benedicto, number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Tira sa gilid. No good. Rebound number 24. Maliwat. Pass to Rat. And Reyes. Reyes, number 30. Sayang abutin. Big ball. Bola ng team. And number 23, Ramos, dribble the ball para sa team. And Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Lopez, number 8. And Ramos, titira sa tres. No good. Rebound, Bison. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes, susubok sa malaksak. Basket. And Ramos, number 23. Pass to number 15. Cruz, titira sa tres. No good. Rebound, Bison. Pass to number 28. Grossman. Grossman. Dribble na ball and maliwan number 24. Pass to number 21. Reyes. Pass to number 8. And Reyes, number 30. Titira sa gilid. No good. Rebound, Lopez, number 8. Pass to number 23. Ramos. Para sa team B. And Ramos sa salaksak, kapitawan ng bola. Red ball. And number 21, pass to Bison, number 2. Bison sa salaksak, good for 2 by Bison. Mabibilat ka. Bibilat ka. Start to pulo, kapapawis eh. And number 23, Ramos, pass to number 15. Pass to Lopez, number 8. Titira sa tres. No good. Rebound, number 21. Pass to number 28. Grossman. Pass to Bison. Bison, susubok sa malaksak. Pass to Maliwan. Basket. And number 8, Lopez. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Dribble the ball para sa team B. And number 23. And number 15. And Benedicto, number 11. Susubok again. Benedicto! Gagawin. Lopez. 5 seconds to shoot. Ramos, hindi na sa tres. Bang! Ramos. 3-point. Nice steal. Number 23. Ramos again. Ramos susubok lumipad, pass to Lopez, basket. 12-8. And number 24, Maliwan, pass to Grossman, number 20. Dribble the ball para sa Team Red, and Maliwan, titira. And traveling violation by Maliwan, isorga po lang sa papalitan nun. Number 3, Julian out. Benedicto number 11 and Galang number 20 in. Pass number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball para sa team B. Pass to Cruz number 15. And number 23, Ramos again. Haras na Grossman, Ramos, nilipad! No good! Rebound Reyes, and Reyes number 21. Para sa Team Red. Reyes still sa gilid. No good. And rebound. And number 23, Ramos, susubok again. Basket. 12-10. Reserve timeout Red. And Grossman. Pass to Reyes, titira sa tres. No good. Bison number 2. No good again. Sparat number 30. Reyes pushing foul. Timeout.
Pat, baka naman nakikita ko dyan.
Hindi.
Ayun mo. Ayaw ko lang.
And Cruz, titira sa tres. No good. Save ball. And Ramos number 23 and Kapulong number 24. Tira sa 3, no good. And Lopez number 8. And still number 21, Reyes. Reyes susubok sumulak sa no good. And rebound number 23. Ramos. Ramos susubok sumaga sa sayang ang pasa. And number 28, Groswell. Pass to Reyes, number 21, titira sa atras. Reyes. 3-point. And number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball para sa Twin Team. Pass to Kapulong, number 24, and Ramos again. And still number 2, reserve time of P. And Groswell, number 28, titira sa tres. No good. Reyes, number 21. Pass to Bison. No good. Pass to number 23, and Lopez. Number 8, tira sa gilid. No good. Rebound, Maliwan na number 20. Pass to Bison, number 2. Reverse. Basket. Time out. Again. Dribble the ball para sa Team Pink. Again, dribble the ball. Nakakapapasahan para sa Ibanyas, number 4. And play again. Number 5. Pass to Benefit number 11. 8-second to shoot. Pass to Kapulang. And Lopez number 8. 3 seconds. Pass to number 21. Reyes number 21. Nagmamadali para sa Team Red. Pass to Grospe sa gilid. No good. Rebound Benefit number 11. Pass to Kiel number 5. Pass to Lopez number 8. And number 11 again. Benedicto. Dribble the ball. Titira sa tres. No good. Rebound na Kapulong. Pass to Lopez. Titira sa tres. Lopez. 3-point. And number 20 and Maliwan number 24. Pass to number 28, Grosman. Pass to number 21, Reyes. 8-second to shoot. Reyes, mula sa gilid. No good. Rebound na Benefit number 11. Still, number 10, Maliwan. Wala ang pula. Sayang. 14 seconds. Ewan ko. And number 5, Piel. Pass to Benedicto and Lopez follow up. Basket. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Maliwan. And Grosman number 20. Dribble the ball. Pass to Steve. And number, sayang mabuti. Nakuha na, dumulas pa.
Baka malaglag eh.
And Grosman number 20. Dribble the ball. Pass to Reyes. Reyes tira sa tres. No good. Rebound number 24. Kapulong. Pass to Pierre number 5. And Benedicto number 11. Benedicto susubok sa mga sa nakawalang pa. Traffic violation. Number 11. And Reyes, number 21. Pass to Bison, number 2. Susubok umangat. Basket. And number 5, Piel. Pass to number 21 and number 8, Lopez. Dribble the ball. Pass to Dragis, number 4 and Lopez again. 10 seconds to shoot. Piel, number 5. Bataya Butiquet. Red ball, Jake, huh? Jake. And number 21, Reyes, para sa Team Red. And Bison, number 2, susubok yung batake again sa ilalim. Pass to Reyes, save ball. Ilalim na si Mr. Capullo. Buluran, number 0 and number 21, Reyes again. Tira sa tres, no good. Iyo po ang bola. And Bison, and rebound number 21, 10 seconds to shoot. And follow-up reverse, no good. And number 21 again. Pass to Grossman, number 28, 8 seconds to shoot. Pass to Reyes, 5 seconds to shoot. Grossman, tira sa tres, no good. And Buluran ang unang bola, and big ball.
Pink ball.
ball.
Kaangat ko lang, baka malaglag eh.
And number 5, Neil again. Pass to Kapulong, number 24. Kapulong yung matake sa gilid. Pass. 19 and 17. 2 points and Team Red. And number 21, Reyes. Pass to Grossman. Grossman ditira sa tres. No good. Rebound number 21 and PL number 5 nagmamadali. PL! Huli ka boy. And back sa PL again. No good. Rebound Buluran number 0. Pass to Reyes number 30. Dribble naman para sa Team Red. Pass to Buluran number 0 again. And Reyes number 30 and number 28 Grossman. And number 2, Bison Babaga. Basket. And PL number 5 again. Dribble the ball para sa Team P. Pass to Bañez number 4 and Benedicto number 11. Harap to number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Benedicto titira sa pass. Benedicto. 3 point.
Muawit.
And Reyes number 21. 28-21. Isa na lang po ang inahabol ng Team P. Pass to Reyes number 30. Susubok umatake sa gilid. Basket. And PL number 5. Dribble the ball para sa Team P. Pass to Benedicto number 11 and follow up Lopez. Good for 2 by Lopez. Number 8. And number 30, Reyes. Pass to Reyes number 21. Pass to Bison number 2. Susugot again. Basket.
Alabaw.
And number 11, pass to PL number 5. Dribble the ball para sa Team P. Pass to Benedicto number 11. Susubok sa tres again. Benedicto. 3 point. Or 25. Sino para?
Mainit si Atan, tsaka yun ano.
And number 20, Juanan Grossman titira sa tres. No good. And rebound number 30 again. Nakuha ng foul is Barret. Number 11, Benedicto, pushing foul. Sabret.
Hindi ka mapapakali?
Oh.
Reyes out number 30. And Maliwan number 24 in. Benedicto number 11, second personal foul. Sabret. Bañez number 4 out. Beko number 40. Araw sa mga puso, ha? Wait lang. Reyes number 21, no good. And rebound Bison number 2, susubok umangat. Basket.
Pakita mo yung flex ko, pakita mo yung flex.
Saka di abot. Ulo lang kita eh.
And then, dribble the ball. Then, pass to Lopez. Follow up. Basket. On 27, Baliwan and Reyes number 21.
Paano tayo magkaka-exhibition yan?
Reyes, susubok umatake sa gilid. No good. And rebound Lopez. Scorer. Alaba. Sabi, Buluran number 0 out and Baliwan number 10 in. 14 seconds.
Dito ba ako pagka dito kasi? Ako ba?
Ulo pa pangalan dyan, kita mo.
And number 28, Baliwa titira sa tres. Bagud. And rebound number 24. Pass to Lopez. Palang basket. Chris Favor, 29 and 27. Lamang na po ng pin ng dalawa. And Grosvenor number 28, dribble the ball para sa team red. Pass to number 24, Baliwa. And number 28 again. Pass to number 24, Baliwa susubok umatake. Reverse, no good. Rebound Bison, basket. Tumayo lang, parang poste. Ano ba naman yan? Yak. Beko number 14. Scorer? Wala. Save ball. Ay number 21. Reyes. First personal foul. Sabret. Benedicto number 11. Arenas number 27. In. And Lopez ang maglalabas ng bola. Pierre, number 5. Pierre susubok patake. Basket. Atak, tawag ka. And number 28, Grosvenor. Grosvenor susubok yung patake. Dalawa. Basket. Yabang kumilasa eh. Yak. And number 5 ay kapulang number 24. Pass to Pierre, number 5. Titira sa tres. Bago. Beko. Good for 2. Boy, Beko number 40. Pusa malalang ang bola. Ayun, lipit ko si Sergio Cruz. Number 21. Titira sa tres. And rebound number 8. Lopez. Pass to number 14. Beko. Nag-aapon na naman. Susubok agad. Basket. Ayan na. 31 and 35. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng P. Pass to Baliwa. Baliwa titira. Low tula ang tawagan ni referee. Sino ba palitan?
Dumapag din natin.
And number 5, Pierre. Dribble the ball. Pass to Beko number 14. 8 seconds to shoot. Kapulang number 24. Titira sa gilid. Basket. And number 21, Reyes. 33, 37, 2 and 46 para sa second quarter. Pass to Grosvenor. Number 28. Haras to number 5. Grosvenor titira sa tres. No good. And rebound number 24. Nakuha ng foul is correct. Number 10. Maliwat. Sabret. Time. Red. And number 23 and Bruce, number 15. Dribble the ball, and Ramos, number 23, and Beko, number 14. Beko susubok agad. Tagatang kapasahan, pass to Kapulang, pass to number 3, Julian. Good for 2 by Julian, number 3. And Reyes and Bison, number 2, susubok sa Magasa. Tagatang kapasahan na nagagawa, and Beko nakakulang bola, and number 30 again. Ismael. Number 2, Bison. First personal foul. And Beko number 14. Dribble the ball para sa team P. Pass to Cruz number 15. And Beko number 14. Pass to Cruz number 15. And Julian bitawan bola ng stealer number 24. And Reyes number 21. And Grosvenor number 28. Basket. And Ramos, number 23, pass to Kapulong, number 24, dribble the ball, pass to number 23 again, pass to Julian, Dailari, not good, rebound Baliwag, number 24, pass to number 21, Rebound, take out number 40. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Nagpapadali para sa pink. Ramos, pass to Julian. Basket.
No po, sir eh.
And Bisa, number 30. Reyes, pass to Bisa. Bitawan ng bola. And Ramos, number 21. Ramos, susubok matangin. Bitawan ng bola. And Sengbo. 1:05 para sa second quarter. Time out. And number 24. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Ramos, susubok matangin. Nakakuha ng foul. Sparrow. Number 21, Reyes. Second, personal foul. Warning for penalty. And Ramos, number 23, Kapulang. Basket. Good for 2 by Kapulang. And Reyes, number 30, susubok matangin. Stealing number 24, Kapulang. Pass to number 23, Ramos. Pass to number 24 again, Kapulang. And number 15, Cruz. And number 23, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23, titira sa tres. No good. 27 seconds. And number 21, Reyes, no good. Rebound Gala and number 15, Cruz. Pass to Ramos, number 23. And number 23, Ramos and Kapulong, number 24. Basket. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Vanyas and number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball. Pass to Ibanez, number 4. And Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Ibanez, number 4. And Ramos, number 23. And Lopez, number 8. Good for 2. Bonnie Lopez.
Yung junior ako mamaya yun.
And number 24. Pass to Grospen. Grospen, susubok ang batake. And number 21, Reyes umangat, no good. Reyes again. Basket. And 1. Spotted. Number 8, Lopez. First personal foul. Body shot by Mr. Reyes, number 21.
Ito yung mga best player.
Perfect. Complete.
Lumang mainit eh, mainit yung leg. Tama mainit yung leg.
And number 23, Ramos, dribble the ball. Para sa team. Ramos, tira sa tres. Bang! Ramos. 3-point. And number 24, Busubok Kumatane. Basket. Maliwat, number 24. Good for 2.
Atas na atas.
And number 15, pass to Ramos, number 23, and Ibanez, titira sa tres. No good. Rebound number 20. Tumatakbo para sa Team Red. Pass to Reyes, number 30, Suzuki Kumatane. Number 15, Bruce. 2 shots. Second, personal foul, number 15, Cruz.
Ayaw. Yung mga pinit eh. Ayaw. Ayaw nga. Ayaw nga. Ayaw niya ka. Gago. Yeah. Mainit.
Walang pangubasa. No good. Wale. And number 30 again, good for 1 by Reyes, number 30. 4-1 and 15. Siyam na lang. And Ramos, number 23. Pass to number 15, Cruz, and number 23, Ramos. Number 28, Grosse. First personal foul, number 28. And Ramos, pass to Ibanez, number 4. And Benedicto, number 11. Pass to number 15, Titira sa taas. No good. And rebound, number 28. Grosse. Pass to Maliwat. Maliwat, Titira sa tres. Maliwat. 3-point. Ano na lang? And number 23, and Ibanez, number 4. Pass to Benedicto, number 11. To Ibanez, number 4. Titira sa tres. No good. And rebound number 23, Ramos. Titira sa tres. No good. And rebound Maliwat. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes susubok ng batang. No good. And rebound number 20. Pass to Ibanez. And number 23, Ramos. Pass to Cruz, number 15. Pass. And 1. Number 24. Body shot and Mr. Cruz. Yan. Second, personal foul, number 24, Maliwat. No good. And rebound number 21. Dribble the ball. Pass to Grossman, number 28. Pass to Maliwat, number 24. Pass to Grossman, number 28. Titira sa tres. No good. And rebound number 2. Pass to Reyes. Reyes, number 21. Atake. No good. And number 11, Benedicto. Number 2. No good. Number 11, Benedicto. Third personal foul, number 11. Two shots.
Uy, asan na ba? Hintayin na.
Seven.
Uy, akan na, tuta.
Bañez, number 4 out.
Akan na. Akan na. Nakasaksak sa bagang.
And Grossman, number 28. Pass to Reyes, number 30. Tira. No good. And rebound number 2. Bison. No good. And rebound Ramos. Pass to Lopez. Basket. Favorite shot. And Grossman. Number 28, kay Maliwat, number 24. Pass to Reyes, number 30. Good for 2 by Reyes, number 30. 46 and 54. 8 points. And Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Ramos, and still number 20.
Same ball. Hey, ano ba? Bago mo ano?
And number 28, Grosse. No good. And rebound Lopez, number 8. Nagmamadali para sa team team. Lopez sa atake. Good for 2 by Lopez, number 8. And number 28, Grosse again. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Pass to Bison, number 2. Susubok, reverse. Good for 2 by Benedict, by Bison, number 2. And number 23, Ramos, dribble the ball. Pass to Benedicto, number 11. Tira sa tres. no good. Rebound Baliwan, number 24, and Reyes, number 21. Nagpapadali para sa Team Red. Reyes, rebound, no good. And rebound, Benedictine. Ramos, tumatakbo para sa Team P. Ramos, susubok umatake. And number 24, Kapulong, titira sa tres, no good. And rebound, Grossman, number 20. Pass to number 24, pass to number 20, Grossman, pass to number 21, pass to number 30, pass to Maliwa, number 24, no good. And rebound, number 15, and number 23, Ramos, para sa Team P. Suarez, number 2, pushing foul, Bison. Ano magkapalit na kayo dyan? And Ramos, number 23. Good for 1 by Ramos, number 23.
Gamit ko yung LNG kayo na yung code. Nakamiti Crytek. Niram ko.
And rebound, Bison, pass to Maliwan, and Reyes, number 21. Pass to Reyes, number 30, susubong matake! Trafficking, violation, number 30. And number 23, Ramos, para sa Team P.
Nakipicture mo yan, maayos naman yan.
Patingin nga.
Maayos yun.
Bibirahin kita.
Pass to Reyes, and Reyes, number 21, all alone. Basket.
Maayos naman.
50 and 57 para sa third quarter. Pito na lang, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And Ramos, number 23, and Kapulong, number 24, susubok umatake sa gilid. Rasto, Biso, number 2, and Lopez, number 8, tira sa tres. No good. And rebound, number 2. Pass to number 24, and Maliwan kay Grossman, number 28. Nagpamadali para sa team. Bumibig. Nakuha ng foul, Suarez. And number 3, Julian.
Carlos.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Mulang pagpupus na. Good for 1 by Grossman, number 28.
Ano yan?
Raulo.
Gold medal na yan. Kung gaganyan.
Good for 2.
Pari na nga daw ang kailangan yan. Isobras na yan. Napakabait ni Matt guys.
Walang siya.
And number 8, Lopez. Good for 2 by Lopez, number 8. And Reyes, number 30, Lilipad. And rebound, Julian, and number 24, Kapulong, nagpamadali para sa TNT. Dribble naman, Aras to Grossman, number 28. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Ramos, pass to Julian. No good. And rebound, Reyes. And number 28, Grossman, tumatakbo para sa Team Red. Grossman, pass to Reyes. Sayang ang pagdating.
Sumay.
Hinard pare.
Sira na ulo eh.
Hinard ka boy. May day ka na.
Ramos, tira sa tres. No good. Sabre, number 30 out. Reyes, and Bulura, number 0 in.
Wow, kumakalay mo.
Pass to Reyes, number 21. Pass to Grossman, tira sa tres. No good.
Down. Bulang
Number 0, Bulura. Pushing foul. First personal foul.
Kasi yung mga may video. Ito yan ang video.
And number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball. Nagatawa masahan and Julian, number 3. Pass to Cruz, number 15, titira sa tres. Bang! Cruz. 3 point.
Hindi, kilala ko yun. Yung kalaban ko nun.
And Jason, number 2. Pass to Maliwan. Maliwan titira sa tres. points.
Paano naman nun?
55-62, 7 points. And number 23 harass to number 21 and pass to number 15 and Cruz and number 16 and number 28 tumatakbo para sa Team Red. And Grossman number 28 pass to Maliwan number 24. Good play 2 by Maliwan number.
Lima. Dapat. Lapit na matawag.
And number 23 pass to Kapulong number 24. Harass to number 24 and number 23 and number 3. Julian nagagawa na Julian nakawalang bola. 7 to 9 Sabre. Number 21 Reyes out. Gabriel number 27 in. Sabre. Julian number 3 out and Benedicto number 11 in. Sige po, okay na po.
Bo.
Ramos out. Ikaw Jake ha. Susunod po, pagkasasap po, sabay-sabay na po. Salamat. And number 27, Gabriel. Paso, Baliwan and number 0, Bulugan, susubok kumatake. No good. And rebound Bisa na number 24, Baliwan din sa press. No good. And rebound number 5, Pierre. Dribble the ball. Same ball. 37 seconds, 57 and 62. 5 points. And Gabriel number 27 and Bulugan, number 0. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Bisa, number 2. Tinira sa gitna. Basket. Tatlo na lang. 22 seconds. And Pierre, dribble the ball, has to Gabriel, number 27. And number 8. And Cruz, tinira sa press. No good. Rebound Bulugan. Same ball. 9 seconds.
Bigil naman. Anong ba yan mga collection?
Oo, mga collections yan.
Uy, ulo mo, malaki.
And Pierre, no good. Rebound number 27, number 15. And Cruz, nagagawa sila rin. Nagdaw ng bola. Same ball again. Teka lang po, i-reset lang po. Eh, ito nga, inaano nga nun eh.
Kaingay naman ang bata na ito.
Benedicto. Di na raw po. And number 21, Reyes, pass to Grossman, number 28. Dribble the ball, para sa Team Red. Pass to Viso, number 2, titira sa gilid. No good. And rebound number 24. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot.
Hanapin mo naman ang kay Hanap na yan.
Pass to Reyes, number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes, titira sa gilid. No good. Rebound Lopez, magagawa. Ito po yung bola. Bibilik lang po natin ulit ha. Dito naman sa kabila. Yup. Very good.
Dapat yung na maganda harman eh.
And Lopez, and number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball para sa Team P. Pass to Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Ramos. And number 15. And number 24, Kapulang, reverse. And number 8, Lopez. No good. And rebound number 24, ay Maliwan. Pass to Grossman, number 20. Para sa Team Red. Dribble the ball. Pass to Maliwan, number 24. Susubok magkakan. Bitaw na bola. Ramos nakakuha ng bola para sa Team P. Tumatakbo para sa Team. And Ramos. Pass to Kapulong, number 24. Ang atake. Same foul.
Libre lang.
Libre lang daw. Libre?
Ba't sinasabi namin ba? Bayaran na namin referee.
And then dito, follow Ben Lopez. Basket. Good for 2 by Lopez. And number 21, Reyes. Dribble the ball. And Maliwan, number 24. And Rosman. 10 seconds to shoot. Maliwan, titigil sa stress. Hindi umabot. And number 21, nakakuha ng bola. And Maliwan again. Maliwan, aatake. Good po yan. And number 24, Kapulang. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Pass to Lopez and Ramos again. And Cruz, number 15. Good for 2 by number 15. Time out! And number 21, Reyes, dribble naman para sa team Reyes na atake. No good! Nagagawa na ito ng walang wala. Number 24, Maliwas Hulga. And number 15, bitaw ng bola. And number Bison. Number 2, Subok, Bison, sa bilayan. Bitaw ng bola. Sayang ang kaputi. And Kapulang, number 24, dito sa press. No good. Rebound Bison. Pass to number 21, Reyes. Susubok matake. Good for 2 by Reyes, number 21.
Hindi namin ito magagamit kung may laro tayo.
And number 23, Ramos. Pass to Benedicto. And number 15, dito sa press. No good. And rebound number 24 and Grossman, number 28. Tumatakbo para sa Team Red. Grossman. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes steal. And number 15. Tawa-tawa si Toto. And steal, number 30. Reyes. Pass to Maliwan. And Reyes, number 21. And Maliwan, number 24. Atake. No good. And rebound number 24. Kapulong. Steal, and number 30. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 20. And number 24 again. Basket. 63 and 66. Tatlo na lang. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. And number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball para sa TP. Pass to number 24, Kapulong. And Lopez, number 18 sa gilid. No good. And rebound Bison nagagawa niya. Bulungan na bola para sa team. Pass to Reyes, number 21. Reyes, susubok matake. No good. Bison nakakuha ng bola. Bison tira. No good again. And number 15, Cruz. And number 23, Ramos. Dribble the ball para sa team P. Ramos tira sa tres. No good. And still, number 24. Number 24, Kapulong. Susubok matake. Pass to Cruz, number 15. And Kapulong again. Number 24. And nakakuha ng foul is correct. Number 2. Bison. Third personal foul, number 2. And Ramos, and number 15, Cruz, tira sa press. No good. And rebound number 21, Reyes, nagmamadali para sa team. Pass to follow-up. Reyes, good for 2. 65 and 66. Isa na lang. Pass to Kapulong, number 24. Pass to number 23. 8 seconds to shoot. And Lopez number 8, 5 seconds. Cruz. 3-1. Ball kitin. Mana-mana sa tatang. Reyes number 21. Usubong matalo. Nagkakaroon na bola. Nakakuha ng bola. Benedicto. And Cruz again. Number 15. And pass to Ramos number 23. Titira sa gilid. Basket. Lobo na naman. And crossman number 28. Dribble the ball. Crossman titira sa atras. Crossman. 3 points. 68 and 71. 3 points ang naman ng Team Red para sa team. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. And then dito, pass to Ramos number 23. Pass to Lopez, 6 seconds. And Benedicto reverse. Basket.
Uy, di nakita.
Bakit? Kanina ba yun?
Di nakita, marap eh.
Sorry!
Daglag di ako katawan.
And number 21, and Rosbeth, titira sa tres. No good. And rebound Dixon, titira. Pass to Reyes. No good. Tres again. Tawag bola, no good. And rebound number 15. Cruz, and number 24. Capulong. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Pass to Benedicto, and pangalawa, kapitawan ng bola, Bulugan, and number 28, Grosvenor. Grosvenor, pass to Bulugan, one foul. Sbaret, number 23, Ramos. Sabat, Bulugan out, and number 24, Maliwang in.
King Arwel Binuya.
Number 23, Ramos, first personal foul. Reyes, number 21, dribble the ball. Reyes, and gagawin po Reyes, number 21, and Grossman, number 20, titira sa tres. No good. And rebound number 23.
Small rep.
Scorer, number 21, Reyes. Timeout, Red. Wala na pong timeout ang Team Red. Opo, sana paglaro mo mapilay ka. And number 24, pass to follow up. Lopez, good for 2.
Uy, ipis, ipis.
And number 24, Baliwan. Pass to Grosvenor. And Reyes, number 21, and Grosvenor. Titira sa tres. Bang! Grosvenor. 3 points. 71 and 75. Apat na lang. And number 24, Kapulong. Pass to Ramos and Benedicto, number 11. Titira sa gitna. Basket. Pass to Grosvenor, titira sa tres again. No good. And rebound number 15. Pass to Benedicto. And Kapulong and Ramos. Last 2 minutes. And rebound number 24. Kapulong. Steal. Sayang. 11 seconds. Yan, ipis.
Aray, aray.
And number 23, Benedicto, number 11. Pass to Lopez, number 8. 5 seconds shoot. Lopez, no good. And rebound, Grosvenor. Grosvenor, dribble the ball. Pass to Bison, number 2. And Maliwang, number 24. Titira sa tres. No good. And rebound, number 23. Ramos, sa salaksak, pass to Benedicto, no good. And rebound number 15. Pass to Ramos, number 23. Nilapit ng konti, pass to number 15 and number 11, Benedicto, no good. And rebound number 21. Reyes, with for 2. Apat na lang. 73-77. And number 24, 1 minute. And Ramos, Pass to Benedicto. Pass to Kapulong. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Kapulong titira sa tres. No good. A rebound Pisang. Pass to Reyes. Pass to Reyes number 30. No good. Strike ng Kaputi. Number 30. Second, personal foul.
Lulubatin mo na to, malapit na.
35 seconds.
Giabot boy, 1 minute dadaan yan.
And number 23, pass to Benedicto. Pass to number 23.
Mamaya,
10 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. And Cruz, pass to Ramos and Lopez. Basket.
Champion!
Pass to Reyes, tira sa tres. No good.
Champion!
10 seconds.
Champion!
Tapos na po ang laban.